sitting in the Toyota Hilux GR, I think, this was red. And first of all, wow, so many features now. Pedal shifter also got now. All the steering controls are here, volume, track up, track down, voice control, mode for your radio, pickup. I think it's for the display there. Return. Wow, lane, keep lane. Lane keep assist, ADAS. Is it ADAS? Oh, the front sensor. Not sure. All windows are now automatic. Look at that. What else? What else? Oh, normal lah. Climate. They got dual climate now. Damn. Then you got what? Descent. I don't know. I know this is like when you're going down, it's to assist you going down a hill. I forgot what does DAC. I think descent something lah. USB charger. I don't know. Is it fast or no? Oh, got Type C. I think it's fast. Traction control. Diff lock. This is where you control your 4-wheel drive. What else? Sunglasses holder. Typical Toyota lah. Same thing also here. You got 2 cubbies, 2 storage. Look at that. Cup holders. Automatic headlights. That's cool. Oh yeah, it is the badge looking at me right there. Big. Not that big, but okay lah. Still a manual handbrake, good. Power, eco. That's a big button. Cool.